Morning guys, today we've got here Motorola G75 and let me show you how to use codes. So if you have any code that you want to use, you have to open your phone dialer, enroll Keypad, and let's start with some code. For example, let me show you the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with device information. So right after you provide the code, the necessary, the essential information is displayed right in front of you within 1 second. Tap on OK to exit. Another code that you can use here is *##, 225, ###. And here we got the whole calendar info, so all upcoming events that are saved in every calendar that you have will be displayed right in front of you. So let's go back, and you can also use another code, which is *##426, #*#. Here you've got FCM diagnostic mode, where you can check events and status. If you want to explore it a bit more, just tap on more icon and mark advanced view. So basically that's it. Obviously use whichever code you want here, just the same way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.